Planning and creating an outdoor space is a lot of fun. Most of us love to sit outside the home, especially in the evening when the weather is good. However, have you ever wondered that you could convert your backyard space into a perfect garden too? Find these 50 amazing, cheap, easy, and creative DIY garden ideas to update your garden area on a low budget. Also, did you ever wanted to have a DIY garden at your home but you can't because of the minimal space? No matter whether you live in a small house or a large one, you may now create a fantastic custom DIY garden at home with a bit of effort. Now make your outdoor space fun for the perfect outdoor activities, BBQ area, and relaxing one. It is always better to do such small creative projects yourself rather than hiring someone else to do it. These kind of DIY projects also enable you to spend some quality fun time with friends and family. This video will cover all the significant possible ways to make your outside garden better with these DIY garden ideas. From raised garden bed to terracotta fountain, from clay garden to homemade garden box, from the DIY herb garden to DIY planters, from fairy garden ideas to stack garden, from pallet one to strawberry tower garden plan, and a lot more. You'll find everything in this video. Either you are looking to renovate your garden space or want to give your backyard a better look, it is always pleasant to see the change. You will find all the necessary tools and supplies you need with each of the mentioned DIY garden ideas. All you have to do, choose the DIY garden project that suits you, your comfort, your space, and your budget. The best. Get it started today and have fun. So, from flower container gardening to fruit and vegetable raised garden beds, there are over 100 creative ideas to add a special touch to your gardening space and improve your curb appeal on a budget. There are DIY garden ideas for small spaces like vertical gardens for front porches and apartment balconies to large space landscaping for the yard. So you are bound to find a DIY garden projects that fits your space, style, and needs. Whether you are looking for front yard ideas or backyard projects, you will find tons of ideas for inspiration. With a little creativity and basic do-it-yourself knowledge, you can create a stunning garden without breaking the bank. You will find gardening projects here for everyone, whether you are a beginner or an advanced gardener. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks again.